Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Please like and subscribe if you can. I hope you enjoy our YouTube videos, and this is a very new one today, and yeah, that's mostly it for the start of the video, and see you there.
Good morning. It's Saturday and it's raining. We're gonna go buy some Christmas lists. We're going, no. Halt. We're gonna go to shops and buy some letters so we can tell Santa what we want for Christmas. But we have to wait until Lincoln is awake because he's asleep. So I'm gonna go make some coffee. It's a nice coffee. It looks a bit weak, but still satisfying. First coffee of the day. Lincoln's awake. Having his bottle. Mummy's just getting ready. I'm going to set off. I'll take you for a drive. So many toys. We're in Smith's Toys. So many things. There's Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. Say hi, Lincoln. Yeah. Lincoln doesn't know what we're doing. But having a look and see what Elijah would like to ask Santa for Christmas. And if there's anything Daddy wants. You like that?
It's a light to go on your bike.
Oh no.
Oh, what, like that?
This looks kind of...
Yo, yo, yo. Smith's Toys time.
We're going upstairs to the best part.
Hey guys, we're just in Asda. We've had to divide and conquer as Lincoln is not happy. So me and Elijah are on the hunt for Christmas accessories and more inspiration for his list. And Daddy has got off with Lincoln for Starbucks, I think.
Please can I talk? Come on guys, I need to show you some absolute. How come you don't sit down really easily, but I can't sit down?
Lincoln is having a Starbucks biscuit. He got bored of shopping very quickly, so I brought him to get a coffee. He wasn't happy, but look at him now. He's enjoying this. Rosie's back.
I'm back. I have letters for Santa.
Oh, did you get some?
I got some, so we're all good. He'll have to show you his new t-shirt when we get home.
Oh yeah, Rosie found me a cool t-shirt. I'm excited to wear it. It's very me, and it's very dad.
Careful, Elijah. Go on, a little bit.
Look at my coffee.
Funny.
There is no...
We've come to our favourite food area, Morrison's Cafe. Lincoln's a regular here now. Yeah, you are.
I'm getting beans and toast today too, guys. Hi guys, I'm getting beans and toast, and I'm getting delicious cake.
Show everyone your cake.
Yummy cake.
We love good Morrison's Cafe, don't we?
Yeah.
Reminds us of Valentine's Day when I treated Rosie to some fish and chips.
I don't know what that smells. It was like this when it came to me, mummy. It was like this when it came to me, mummy.
Ready, steady.
He did it again. Yeah. Hi guys, we're just doing my Christmas list. It's nearly really Christmas and I'm really excited. After we've done my Christmas list, I think we're gonna watch Home Alone. Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah. So we're just gonna do Elijah's Christmas list. We've got the letter right here. 1 second. That we're gonna do. We've got some stickers to decorate it. So we're gonna do that, and then Lincoln's just gone for a nap, and we're gonna watch some Home Alone before we have some bonfire night celebrations. So should we get started?
Yep.
We are back home. Had a chilled afternoon watching Home Alone, and obviously we did our letters as well. Now we're having, well, cooking some boigers, and we're going to watch the fireworks soon. I think we're just going to stay home and watch them from garden. You have a pretty good view.
Tea time for Lincoln. What are you having? Oh no. Ada. Ada. Are we going to go do some sparklers soon? Yes. Yes. What are they?
Looks like yours. Come here.
Do one at a time, then you can have another one after then, yeah?
That's it.
Yay!
Have to have a fire dance, Eliza.